Hello guys, welcome back. It's been a hot minute. My name is Simone if you're new here. Today's video is just going to be a little study vlog. I have some lectures online that I want to get done today, and I'm just sort of going to walk you through the day, sort of how I revise and like take notes, I guess. Yeah, so I hope you will enjoy this video. I just sort of woke up. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock, and I'm just gonna make breakfast, and then we're gonna go on to actually the studying part of things. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished eating, and today I have a total of 5 lectures that I have to get through. So I'm gonna start with the hardest, or like the most time consuming, and the one that I basically don't want to start with. I'm gonna start with that first, just so that I know I will actually have finished those 2 lectures, and they are basically research stuff that I do not like. I don't like research, but it's quite important in like the broad sense of it. So that's what I'm gonna do first, and then I will do the other lectures later on. But you will see what I'm doing basically throughout the video. So yeah. Which gives not great fire. Okay, so right now it's 1:15, and I need to take a break. I'm very tired. I have been doing this since 10 o'clock. Around 10 o'clock, I have to go and pick up my sister from the park and ride station, and yeah, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go pick her up. Maybe I'm gonna make some pancakes for lunch, late lunch, but you know, I've been doing a lot of work, and then I will continue it. I still on the first lecture, which is the research, medical research stuff, because it's a lot to cover. So we will see how that goes when I get back. But yeah. So I'm going to pick up my sister now. Gosh. And then maybe I'll make some pancakes when I get back home. Maybe, but I don't know. So I made some pancakes, and I'm just gonna have that with honey, and obviously my choice of drink is water. So yeah, I'm just gonna have that while I watch this Netflix series that I've started, and yeah, I was gonna chill for maybe like 30 minutes, and then I will start doing the work again, and hopefully by that time I meet you guys again, I'll be like halfway through the things I wanted to get done today.
Because if we're careful about what we believe about that study and about the results, I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo.
guys, so update, it's 4:11 p.m. and I still have a couple of lectures still to go, but I'm getting really tired, I'm not gonna lie. And after, I think around like 5:36, that's when I'm gonna start making dinner, and then I will probably continue for 2 more hours after this, and whatever I don't get done today I will just do tomorrow, because I have a free day tomorrow, so I have no lectures or anything tomorrow. So I'm going to actually go to the library and study a bit there. I might take you guys along actually, so I'm gonna make this like a 2-day study vlog. So yeah. Okay, so I wanted to go through just quickly how I revise using Notion. I use 2 different sort of note-taking websites or apps. And the first one is Notion, so I will just show you quickly how I revise using that, and then tomorrow I will show you the other way, because it's basically the same, it's just on 2 different systems and they have slightly different modes of learning, I would say. So I will show you the first one, which is the Notion one. So I will basically just make toggles, which means that I could write the answer on here and then just click on this arrow and then the answer would show up. And that's sort of the way I revise. You can see I've done some of it now. I haven't finished doing that. And what I would do afterwards is that I will put them in a spaced repetition table, which I will show you in a bit. Put them into here, and then I will just put in the date that I learned it, and then after I have reviewed it the first time, I will just click here, and then I will just go here, which will show me the next repetition. And that's sort of how I revise using Notion. Treno. Yeah, bye. Hey guys, so right now I'm in my second book study room. I was in the library where I booked a room there, and now I'm in just a random science building. I'm just completing the 2 lectures that I had yesterday, today. No, 3 lectures that I didn't get to complete yesterday. I'm completing it today. I have sort of gone through half of this lecture here, and I have 2 more to go. So that's basically what it is. Early in the library I had to go through some emails and some forms I had to fill in and stuff like that, so that took most of my time in the library, to be honest. But I'm halfway through this lecture. I have 2 more lectures left, and then after that I'm going for this sort of athletics club taster day or taster session, so I might bring you guys along to see that. So yeah. Okay, so I thought of showing you guys the second note-taking system that I use, and that's using Remnote, and it's the same thing with the flashcards really and spaced repetition, but it's a slightly different way of using it, so I will show you guys now. So I would basically write a question and then I would do shift 2 arrows forward to make it a flashcard, and then I just write whatever answer at the back, and then when I'm done with that I can go up in this corner here and I can review or practice all the flashcards that's in this document. I can also do it so that I can practice it overall, like for the whole module. That also works, but it's easier to just do it, you know, sort of within each document. So I can do that, and I can customize my spaced repetition. I think you have to upgrade to the Pro in order to do so, but you could use the free version, which allows you to sort of do a 24-hour or like a day spaced repetition thing. And I think this is like much easier to do and it sort of notifies you as well when you have to do the spaced repetition stuff. So I think that's a positive, and that's why I use it.
Lazy Sunday